Ginger is very convenient to grow at home, as it needs little sunlight, and it allows for some of its parts to be left to grow in the soil while using others. What makes it even more appealing is its delicious taste. Ginger is often used in cooking, as well as in tea or other herbal mixtures. Ginger ripens over a period of 10 months. It's advisable to keep it indoors during the cold months, as it doesn't tolerate cold weather. How to plant ginger. Garden centers or seed catalogs are the best places to buy ginger, as it can hardly be found at the local garden suppliers. It isn't recommended to plant ginger bought at the grocery, because it has been treated with a sprout inhibitor, and the results will be far from desired. In case you buy ginger at the grocery, it is advisable to leave it in water overnight so as to remove all pesticides it may have. Make sure to pick a supple root for planting with tight skin, and preferably several sprouts, the greener, the better. Cut each sprout off and plant it separately in wide, shallow pots as ginger grows horizontally. Step-by-step guide for growing ginger indoors. 1. Soak the ginger in lukewarm water, and leave it overnight to get rid of any toxins. 2. Use rich, drainable soil to fill the pot. 3. Position the root in soil with its bud pointed up. Cover it with 1 to 2 inches of soil and then water it well. 4. Keep the ginger pot in a warm and shady place. 5. Use a spray bottle, or light watering to keep soil dampness. 6. The first sprouts should appear out of the soil in a few weeks. Keep on with continual moisturizing. Ginger harvesting. The first pieces of ginger can be collected within 3 to 4 months. As rhizomes will have been grown by this time, you can cut off the unwanted sprouts at the edges of the pot, or you can plant a few rhizomes separately for a bigger harvest. Provided you take good care of the plant, it will continually grow roots which you can harvest.